Let's see how we can create a new workbook. On our screen, we're seeing the Microsoft Excel application, but there isn't any open worksheet. On the right-hand side, we can see several available templates and select the one we want to create. In our case, a blank workbook.
We can also create a workbook based on a template if we want to. We'll have to click the File tab and then click on New. We can choose one of the templates in our screen or search for one of the thousands of ready-made Excel templates available on the web. We will choose one that is available right here, let's say the Sales Report template. We double-click on it and a new workbook has been created named Sales Report 1. It is based on the respective template.
That wasn't so hard, right? It is time to learn how to save a workbook. Our screen is currently displaying the sales.xls workbook. If we just want to save it, we click the icon at the upper left corner of Excel.
Or select the File tab and then click on Save.
If we want to save it with a different name, we click the Save As option.
File and then Save As. We then click on the Browse button, select the location we want to save it at.
It pops up a dialog box from where we can select the storage location or medium and then type a new name. We can also save the workbook in another file type if we want, among the options that Excel gives us. Finally, we click the Save button.
One of the available file types is the templates one. Again, we click File, Save As, Browse, Excel Templates, and in the Excel TX extension. We can select from the type Excel Template. There it is, Excel Template, Excel TX extension. Be careful though, the moment we change the type to template, the folder we were in the desktop folder, has changed. Excel automatically navigated to the templates location. If we want to save the template in this location, all we have to do is click the Save button. Otherwise, we can just select a different location. I wanted to save it on desktop, so I click on desktop and then Save.
So we have learned how we can save our workbooks fast and easy.